filling his form in, drinking his coffee. Come on then, tell us about the car.
I don't know, what, 14, 15 years.
Wowza.
A lot of money spent on it. Focus RS engine, Mark 1, RB5, Helix clutch, Omex 600. I'm expecting about 280, somewhere around there.
Okay. Well, that's a nice looking car, my friend, and we don't see a lot of them anymore. Yeah.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You also have to look around once in a while. You can miss it.
What a stunner. You reckon, Rich?
Oh, I think I'm going to be on eBay later looking for one.
Really?
That's what I think.
You had one, didn't you?
I did have one of these, exactly this colour.
Was it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's
like an old,
like a little wet dream. This is
like an old shoe.
Yeah.
That always fits and is comfy. What a beautiful car, mate. Yeah, it sort of reminds me why we enjoy doing what we do.
No, it's a different engine, but that's with like a standard turbo flat out. That's roughly what we made.
Yeah.
There you have it. What a treat that was today. 282 brake. Lovely.
affairs.